you're showing us there, the coast is the big concern as this storm ramps up.
The Eye Opener's Frank Holland is monitoring the conditions in Sandwich right now. Frank.
Hey, good morning, guys. As you can see, and probably here, it's very windy right now. Take a look over here at the trees and the grass. We're live here at Town Neck Beach in Sandwich. This gives you a really good idea of just how intense these winds are. They're really whipping fast as 40 miles per hour, even a little faster down here. Now, if you look over here behind me, it's dark, but that's the beach over there. It's low tide right now, but we're also expecting astronomically high tides. There is some flooding that's possible, but we don't think any seawalls should be in jeopardy. And last but not least, heavy wet snow should be on the way later on this morning. So all that together is a severe weather triple threat, and we'll keep a close eye on things here in the Cape all throughout the morning and bring you the latest. Live here in Sandwich, Frank Holland, WCVB News Center 5.